Hello students, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope all of you are doing good and fine. Guys, myself Lohit Jindal and I welcome you all in our next session of INMO flashback series. So in this series we are solving previous year INMO questions guys, year by year and question by question, right? So you can find all the previous videos that we have posted on our channel and playlist has also been formed. आप वहाँ पे भी playlist में भी देख सकते हो, right? But guys, I would suggest you one thing. Before watching any video, please solve the question by yourself first by pausing the video. Please try to give it an attempt, right? Otherwise कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. You'll not be learning much as you can get out of it, right? अगर आप उसको पहले attempt करते हो. Okay. So right guys, so we have till now we have solved INMO 2000, 2001, 2, 3 up to 2008 completely. So 9 years worth of papers completely solve कर चुके हैं हम. Currently we are going through INMO 2009. उसके भी हम first 4 questions we have already solved them. Okay. And in this video guys, we are going to solve the 5th question of INMO 2009. So far we are seeing like INMO 2009 was a bit on the easier side. And that you will see in the today's session as well and in the today's video basically. 5th question is also not that difficult. It is based on geometry. Okay, so let us see this question guys. Again मैं तब आपको बता दूंगा that please pause the video, right? And once I'll show you the question, please pause the video and try to give it an attempt. Okay, all right, before moving forward guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Lohit Jindal. I've done my BTech from IIT Bombay. I've been teaching mathematics for the past 9+ years since graduating for various competition exams like IIT JEE, Maths Olympiads and KVPY etc. Right? तो start करते हैं आज का question. Let us see the question. Okay. So this is the question guys. Please read it once. Let ABC be an acute angle triangle ABC, and let H be its orthocenter. Let H max denote the largest altitude of the triangle ABC. तो guys अब जो 3 altitudes होंगे आपके पास उनमें से one will be the largest, right? So that is H max, and you have to prove that AH plus BH plus CH, the distances of the 3 vertices from the orthocenters, उनका sum जो है that is less than equal to 2 times that largest altitude, right? That is what we have to prove. And guys, I urge you guys, please pause the video and try this question by yourself. Okay, try कर लो and I'm going forward with the discussion. Okay, all right, I hope guys सबने try कर लिया ये question. So let us discuss this question. So guys, I'll be drawing the diagram first. Okay, सबसे पहले मैं diagram यहाँ पे draw कर देता हूँ. Okay, so this is the diagram. I drew it earlier only. So simple straightforward diagram बनाया guys. I've just drawn that ABC is a triangle, general triangle, right? So ABC is a standard triangle, your triangle, and I'm drawing AD, BE and CF as the 3 altitudes. Okay guys, so this is an altitude, this is an altitude and this is an altitude. So of course this point जिसके थ्रू वो पास कर रहे हैं, that is point H, so that आपको better समझ में आ जाए कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. Guys, the question is so easy. जो मैं आपको explain करूँगा, it is such an elegant solution. You'll think कि यार ये तो INMO में आ कहाँ से गया? It is not even IRMO level. आपको ऐसे लगेगा solution देखने के बाद. So it's just such an elegant solution. Okay. So let us see guys. Guys, will be making use of the areas, ratio of areas. Guys, do we know that AH upon AD, let us start with this, that AH upon AD का ratio क्या लिखोगे आप? Can I write it as ABH upon ABD, right? AH upon AD की बात कर रहा हूँ. So the ratio of the bases, if I consider AH and AD as the base and B is the vertex, so can I write the ratio of AH is to AD, B is the vertex, so area would be ABH upon ABD, correct? ये लिख सकते हैं, right? And the same ratio can also be written if I instead of B, if I take the C point as the vertex, है ना? अगर C को vertex ले लेते हैं, so AH upon AD, the same ratio is also equal to ACH upon ACD, right? It is also equal to ACH upon ACD, correct? So ये तो clear हो गया guys. But one of the most important thing is what we are going to do now. So guys, this is a property that if particular ratios are equal, the same ratio is also equal to the sum of the numerators, that is ABH plus ACH, right, divided by the sum of the denominators, corresponding denominators. So ABD plus ACD. So I've added these two numerators, these two denominators, and now I am claiming that their ratio is also equal to the sum of the numerators and the sum of the denominators. So guys, this you should know. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, मैं फिर भी छोटा सा वे में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं, ठीक है, in case you don't know this. So guys, if you have a by b is equal to c by d, right? Here I am claiming that it is also equal to a plus c upon b plus d, right? Rather मैं आपको guys इसका स्टैंडर्ड प्रूव करके बता दूंगा. I'll show you that it is this should be equal to m times a plus n times c upon m times b plus n times d. It should be equal to this thing. I'll show you, but that is a linear combination of the numerators and the same linear combination of the denominators. The ratio will be the same as that also. कैसे? It's a very simple proof, guys. Let me show you. Let us assume that this ratio is k, correct? Let us say this ratio is k. A by b equal to c by d को जो है वो ratio k है, let's say. So that by that way a is bk and c is d into k, right? Now just check out this ratio, guys. Just ratio इसके अंदर substitute कर दो इन दोनों को. So what is ma? Ma will become bmk plus nc will become ndk upon mb plus nd, correct? जो पहले से लिखा हुआ है. So what you will observe is if you just take k common, अगर आप k common निकाल लेते हो, देखो ऊपर और नीचे टर्म सेम है, that is mb plus nd upon mb plus nd, right? You can see this. So this is of course getting cancelled, so the ratio is again k, and k was the original ratio, right? k original ratio वही था, a by b equal to c by d. So that is what it means कि जो ये expression है, this one, that the linear combination of numerators and the same corresponding linear combination of the denominators will be of the same ratio. तो यहाँ पे हम m और n को basically 1 1 डाल रहे हैं, right? We are just adding up the numerators and adding up the denominators as well. Okay guys, so you should know these properties of ratio and proportion, guys. Areas वाले questions के अंदर ना, wherever you are using these areas concept, it is very very useful in such kind of cases sometimes. ठीक है, तो आपको ये चीजें ऐसी पता होनी चाहिए रेशियो के बारे में, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शंस के बारे में, करेक्ट? ओके, let us continue, guys. Very simple question. Now ABH plus ACH. So guys, you can see it on the diagram. What is the area of ABH? ABH plus ACH. It's like the ABC triangle minus BHC, correct? आप इस चीज का एरिया ढूंढ रहे हो ना, मैं मार्क कर देता हूं. You are finding this is ABH. See, the area highlighted is ABH and, oh sorry, not this, sorry, I have marked it wrong. So this is the area, guys. This is the ABH area that I have shaded, and ACH is this area, correct? This one. So you can see this, the green area plus blue area basically can be written as ABC area minus BHC, है ना? नीचे वाला जो triangle बन रहा है उसको subtract करके लिख सकते हो. So what I'll write here is, in the numerator I'll write ABC minus BHC, correct? Divided by, what is ABD plus ACD, guys? ABD plus ACD, that is forming the whole triangle ABC. तो नीचे तो ABC आ गया. So you see now I can split the fraction. It will be 1 minus BHC divided by ABC. You know, guys, so basically once I find this, I can now generalize this thing for all the three altitudes like this. है ना? So this is my first equation, let's say. If I take the other altitude, similar way, I will be able to write BH upon BE, correct? So now I will be able to write BH upon BE is equal to 1 minus, this time the area will be CHA, right? Corresponding देखो ना, यहाँ पे BHC select हुआ था, वहाँ पे CHA होगा, and upon ABC. That should be my second equation, right? And third equation would be third altitude, CH upon CF. That way, CH upon CF is going to be equal to 1 minus AHB. AHB upon ABC. Correct? So that is your third equation, guys. That's it. बहुत easy हो गया. So let us add these three, right? Add 1 plus 2 plus 3 कर देते हैं. So what will you get? On the left hand side, it is AH upon AD. It's AH upon AD plus BH upon BE plus CH upon CF, right? What is this going to be? ये आएगा किसके इक्वल? तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 is becoming 3 माइनस तीनों में डिनोमिनेटर ABC है, सो माइनस के अंदर आके वो सब ऐड हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो what all areas are getting added? BHC plus CHA plus AHB. तो ये एरियाज ऐड हो गए, गाइस, डिवाइडेड बाय the total area is ABC. LCM same था. So guys, now you'll observe BHC plus CHA plus AHB. The numerator expression, these areas, these three areas add up to ABC only, correct? ये तो ABC को ही add up हो रहे हैं ना. So of course these things will cancel out. Again, तो ये वाला ABC ये वाला numerator से cancel हो जाएगा. So 3 minus 1. So this ratio AH upon AD plus BH upon BE plus CH upon CF is coming out to be equal to 2. 3 minus 1, 2 आ जाएगा, करेक्ट? यहां तक तो आ गया. वी आर वेरी मच टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ दिस. सो गाइस, एक बात सोचो, आउट ऑफ द 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड, डिनोमिनेटर में जो लिखे हुए वो 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड्स हैं ना, AD, BE एंड CF. दोज आर द 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड्स, करेक्ट? नाउ आउट ऑफ देम ऑफ कोर्स वन विल बी द मैक्सिमम, राइट? उसको मैं H max बोल देता हूं. लेट्स से वन ऑफ देम, AD, BE और CF, वन ऑफ देम विल बी द मैक्सिमम, है ना? So what I say guys, that if I take this sequence, right, देखो AH upon AD plus BH upon BE plus CH upon CF will be, अगर मैं डिनोमिनेटर को बड़ा कर रहा हूं, देखो one of them is the largest denominator, one of the term is having the largest denominator, और बाकी दो का डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है उससे, right? And if I am replacing that larger denominator in the other two terms as well, तो मैं उन दोनों टर्म्स को सेपरेटली छोटा कर रहा हूं, करेक्ट? So this expression should be greater than equal to, because जो नया expression बनेगा वो छोटा हो गया क्योंकि मैंने डिनोमिनेटर को इंक्रीज कर दिया है in the two of the terms, right? So basically let's say one of AD, BE, CF में से कोई एक तो मैक्सिमम है जो कि H max होगा, उनको मैं H max लिख देता हूं सबको, right? So all the denominators I am replacing with H max. So AH upon H max plus BH upon H max plus CH upon H max. Getting the point guys? किसी एक का डिनोमिनेटर तो ऑलरेडी H max था, तो वो टर्म तो अनचेंज्ड है. बाकी दोनों टर्म्स को मैंने H max से रिप्लेस किया क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर को वो टर्म बन गई छोटी. Those terms reduced in the size. So that's why the new expression is basically lesser than the earlier expression, right? ये आ गया अपने पास equation. Now guys, we know the left hand side, this expression, right? This expression is anyways 2. ये हमने निकाला हुआ है. So I can replace this as 2, right? This will be equal to 2, correct? So now simple है guys, very simple. It's over, question is over. Take the H max to the other side now and you have derived what we needed to prove. जो हमें प्रूव करना था वो बन जाएगा एक्सप्रेशन. It will form that expression. Let me write. So it will give me AH plus BH plus CH is less than equal to twice of H max. So you see how elegant this method was. कुछ भी नहीं था. So easy things. मतलब 3 एक्सप्रेशन लिखने हैं, उनको ऐड करना है, and then just this concept की डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा कर दिया हमने by replacing it as H max. So that is it guys. That is the solution of this question, right? कितना easy बन रहा है. I found this solution to be very elegant. The other solution as well guys. आप लोग, I would like actually rather urge you guys, request you guys, है ना, कि guys please try to find some other solutions as well to this particular question. Okay, because there are many other solutions possible in this particular type of question. और भी questions और भी solutions इसके अंदर possible होंगे. So you can think about them, right? Give it a thought. थोड़ा आप दे सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छा बात होगी, right? So guys, I hope सबको मजा आया. You guys learned something from this, है ना? And if you learned something from this, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, guys. And now only one question is left of INMO 2009. So in the next video, we'll be coming with the last question of INMO 2009 and we'll be completing INMO 2009, right? So 10 years worth of question papers will be over in the next video. So waiting for that, right? It will be a good milestone, right? All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, students. Guys, मैं आपको एक बात बताने वाला हूँ. Now, since we are towards the end of this session, this right, because 30th October को exam है, as you all guys must be knowing for IOQM, right? We are going to launch the time भी बहुत कम है, so we are going to launch the last course जिसके अंदर theory पढ़ाई जा रही है. And this is one is a recorded course. Daily session रहेगा आपका, है ना? Tests भी रहेंगे इसके अंदर. So we are going to launch this course named Last Mile, because नाम से ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Because this is the last possible course that you could do or you could opt for, है ना? For IOQM, if you are targeting IOQM for this year or next year as well, जिसके अंदर आपको थ्योरी मिलेगी, सारी की सारी थ्योरी कवर होगी. वो फीचर्स मैं आपको आगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड के ऊपर बताता हूँ. So important thing is this batch is for class 7th to 12th. 7th class के students although इस साल एग्जाम नहीं दे सकते हैं, but ये for those students actually उनको क्या होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा इंसाइट मिल जाएगा सो सी मेनी थिंग्स माइट हैपन, 7th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को यू नो हो सकता है कि बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आए बिकॉज उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं की हुई हैं, बट द थिंग इज काफी चीजें समझ में आ भी जाएंगी एंड दोज थिंग्स विल हेल्प अ पर्सन, हेल्प अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 7th टू एक्सप्लोर मोर, उसके आगे उसको समझने में टूल मिल जाएगा उसको समझने का, जिससे कि उसको समझने में बहुत ईजी होगा आगे के टाइम में। सो उसका लेवल अप तो पक्का हो जाएगा। दैट इज द रीजन फॉर क्लास 7th। और बाकी के सब स्टूडेंट्स तो इस साल में भी दे सकते हैं एग्जाम, तो उनके लिए तो ये कोर्स बेनिफिशियल होगा ही होगा, राइट। द डेट फॉर द बैच लॉन्च इज 22 अगस्त। सो सर गाइस 22 अगस्त से ये क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएंगे एंड एवरी डे देयर विल बी अ सेशन, सो फॉर 1.5 आवर। उसके बारे में मैं आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड के ऊपर बताता हूँ, ठीक है। लेट्स सी। So guys, in this course, you'll be getting 40 topic-wise recorded lectures, same lectures that are going on and that have already been, done in IOQM Achievers batch, जो already अभी चल रहा है, तो उसमें sessions हो चुके हैं already. So we have designed a new course of recorded lectures, 40 topic-wise recorded lectures of the same lectures जो भी हमारे course IOQM Achievers में चल रहे हैं. Other than that, you'll get 15 revision lectures. ठीक है, ये अलग से मिलेंगे. These are the revision lectures of the other batches, pre-RMO revision batches that are going on. Okay, and in this course you'll be having 10 part tests and 10 full tests. Once the syllabus is over in the October month, you'll get 10 full tests as well. Okay, and one of the most important thing that you'll get with this batch or with this course is Telegram doubt solving. So guys, if you enroll with this course, right, you'll be added in our Telegram doubt solving group. You'll be added in a group on Telegram in which you can post your doubts, any doubts you have, and those will be answered within 24 hours, okay, by us teachers and our team, okay. So that is one of the most important aspect of this course. And then you'll get chapter wise assignments, so about 8 to 9 chapters हैं सीधा सीधा, तो हर चैप्टर के लिए आपको असाइनमेंट मिलेगा एंड उन असाइनमेंट के अंदर जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस भी मिलेंगे एज अदर देन ओवर एंड अबव द रिटन सॉल्यूशंस। आपको टेक्स्ट में तो सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे, उसके अलावा आपको उनके वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। इन दोज चैप्टर वाइज असाइनमेंट गाइज देयर आर 3 लेवल्स, आई विल टेल यू दैट बिफोर हैंड। चैप्टर वाइज असाइनमेंट्स के अंदर गाइज 3 लेवल्स हैं। लेवल 1 इज बेसिकली अंडर प्री-आरएमओ लेवल विच विल हेल्प यू इन गेनिंग ट्रैक्शन विद द टॉपिक, है ना, ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए टॉपिक के लेवल की, टॉपिक के कॉन्सेप्ट्स के लिए बेसिकली। And then level 2 is basically IOQM level questions, so that if you have to do, आपके पास टाइम कम है तो लेवल 1 और लेवल 2 जरूर करना इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट, इफ यू वांट टू क्वालिफाई फॉर IOQM। तो गाइज सेकेंड लेवल में के अंदर जैसा मैंने आपको बताया IOQM लेवल प्लस क्वेश्चंस हैं, एंड इन द लेवल 3 यू विल गेट RMO प्लस INMO लेवल क्वेश्चंस। सो दैट विल बी लाइक काइंड ऑफ आप लोगों के लिए टाइम कम है क्योंकि यू माइट skip it, आपकी मर्जी है वो, अगर टाइम है तो you can obviously you should go for it, but level 1 and level 2 are the essential and the most mandatory topics levels kind of thing, तो आपको वो करना ही चाहिए if you are opting for this course, okay। And as I said, assignments के साथ में आपको उनके वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। you'll get an Excel sheet जिसके अंदर हर क्वेश्चन का YouTube के वीडियो का लिंक दिया जाएगा for the solution thing, okay, you can watch the solution as well। And guys, you are getting all of these features and this course at this last ditch effort in 2,777 rupees. The cost of this course is 2,777 rupees, right? But if you apply my code LJ Pro, अगर आप ये कोड अप्लाई करते हो, you can find the link in the description as well. Then you will get this 10% instant discount, extra discount, and you will be able to get this course at 2,500 rupees. And guys, I assure you, you will get your full value, guys. पता है, मतलब लोग सोचते हैं कि 2,500 rupees मांग रहे हैं, ज्यादा रुपए हैं, ऐसा कुछ है, जो भी है। I would like to tell you guys one thing. हमने इतनी मेहनत से ये कोर्स डिजाइन किया हुआ है, इतनी चीजें बनाई हुई है, आई एश्योर यू आपको ऐसा कोर्स कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, एंड दैट टू एट सच लो प्राइस गाइस, जिसके जो इसके अंदर हम जो क्वालिटी और जो चीजें दे रहे हैं ना आपको, इट्स लाइक आई वुड से कि दिस इज एक्चुअली प्राइस लोअर फॉर दैट, ठीक है ना। वो तो जस्ट ये है कि हम चाहते हैं कि मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स का फायदा हो, वी आर like pricing it very nominally. So I would suggest if you're positive and you want to have enthusiasm about IOQM, you should not think about the price. आपको इस कोर्स से बहुत फायदा होगा। इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्वालिफाई गाइस, ये कोर्स के अगर थ्रू निकल गए ना आप, इफ यू डू अटेंड दीज 40 लेक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, आप ये जरूर सोचोगे बिफोर 40 लेक्चर्स एंड आफ्टर 40 लेक्चर्स आपका लेवल का डिफरेंस आप खुद महसूस करोगे you'll yourself feel the difference in your own knowledge after attending this 40 lectures. Okay, so that is all from my side, guys. Though you have the links in the description, आप click कर सकते हो, you will be directed to the page and you can enroll in our course directly. Okay, so I would suggest guys, अगर आप लेना चाहते हो तो जल्दी ले लेना, so that again backlog create ना हो. 22 अगस्त को बैच शुरू हो रहा है, so आपको देर ना हो जाए उसमें, फिर से backlog ना हो जाए, so that you feel pressurized, extra pressurized. So if you want to do qualify OQM और आपने अभी तक कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, so this is the course, आप इसको attend कर सकते हो. Okay, so that is it from my side, guys. Thank you, guys. I hope you enroll in our sessions and you'll come to our classes and it will benefit you, I hope, right? Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.